Okay guys, vending aficionados, you might be wondering what we're looking at here, but this is an unusual item as it basically looks like new. This is a BA30B that has been updated to the new currency. I don't know if you can tell through the power box cover, but it has been updated to the short board. Okay, this will take all the way up to 20s, and we will demonstrate that for you, as you are probably came to this post through eBay and you may have an interest in purchasing this. Whoops, let me fire up my test jig here. This is super smooth for a, there we go, had the test jig wasn't ready. Anyways, this is super smooth. As you can see, and maybe here, you see it takes the ones just fine. Here's a 20. That one it didn't like for some reason. That 20 was a little soft. This could be used in a change machine, or, here's a 5, or something that sells higher ticket items, such as souvenirs, cigars, heavy priced energy drinks, things like that. So anyways, the 120 it did not take. It is kind of soft. Anyways, so there you go. This is the exact item you will be purchasing from our eBay post. The last 4 of the serial number, if you can't read them there, is 1895. This has the updated intermediate plate, and I cannot stress how clean this is. Rollers, belts. This is absolutely something you don't find for something that's as old as a BA30B. Anyways guys, I hope this helped you a little bit. If in fact you need the high security bezel, the one with the small opening for a changer, let us know, as we can change that for you. We can install the other one prior to shipment. Guys, Doug at Doug's World Tour, out.